Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NI EPS Home School. This is Fatematuj Johora, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a class for the students of class 7. And our today's topic is chapter number 1 and lesson number 7, 8 and 9. Okay, dear students, let's start our today's topic. Here you can see it is lecture number 4, HW number 4. Okay, here you can start it. It is chapter number 1, lesson number 7. 7, it is about the Risalat. You know, here is the definition of Risalat. You know, Risalat means message, carrying of news, letter to send information. Here is the definition according to Islamic terminology. The responsibility of conveying the holy message of Allah and His identity to mankind is called Risalat. And in other words, the duties and responsibilities of Rasuls are known as Risalat. So here you can say this in this way, two description of Risalat. Allah the Almighty has sent prophet and messenger for every nation to show them the right path. Allah says, وَلَقَدْ بَعَثْنَا فِي كُلِّ أُمَّةٍ رَسُولًا. So here are the definition of Risalat. Now importance and significance of Risalat. You know that to believe in Risalat is a very important aspect of Iman. Without believing Risalat, one cannot be a mu'min or believer. The prophets and the messengers exercise the responsibilities of Risalat. They were the linkers between Almighty Allah and mankind. We can learn about Allah accurately through them. They carried the messages of Allah to us. So believing prophets and messengers is must. Okay, it is about lesson number 7. Okay, now come to lesson number 8. It is about Wahi. Here is the definition of Wahi. Wahi is an Arabic term. It means gesture, wing and sacred words, etc. In Islamic terminology, the messages that were revealed from Allah to His prophets and His messengers are called Wahi. Here is the definition of Wahi you have gotten here, and here is the worldly meaning of Wahi. Definition here. Okay, now revelation of Wahi. Allah sent Wahi to the prophets and the messengers in different ways. Two famous methods of them are through angels and through direct speaking. Through angels it is called Wahi. Understand? Angels. And through direct speaking. Here kinds of Wahi. Wahi is of two kinds. They are Wahi matlu, Wahi ghairi matlu. Allah say in the Quran that وَمَا يَنْتِقُ عَنِ الْهَوَىٰ إِنْ هُوَ إِلَّا وَحْيٌ يُوحَىٰ. That it is the identity or the evidence of Wahi, that Muhammad or prophets and messengers are not saying anything of their own. They have said what Allah sent to them. Okay, importance of Wahi. Wahi is very important issue. Wahi is revealed directly from Allah. It is irrefutable knowledge. There are no error or doubt in Wahi. It is correct knowledge. Understand? According to Wahi, I can say that importance of Wahi is vast. Without Wahi, you are not able to get any kind of salvation or pathway. So it is the importance of Wahi are vast in Islamic, or to do the life or to live the life according to Islamic Sharia. Now come to it is chapter number 1, lesson number 9. It is the last lesson of this chapter. Okay, the students. Now here Akhirat. Akhirat means it is about Akhirat. Lesson number 9. It is about Akhirat. Akhirat means afterlife. Okay, afterlife is the life after the life of the earth. The life of human being in this world is not the end. Rather, there is another life for mankind, and this life is called the life hereafter. Here is the definition of Akhirat. It is very important for you. This lesson is very much important. Importance of belief in Akhirat. Belief in Akhirat is one of the important aspects of Iman. It is essential. Belief in Akhirat. A man cannot be a believer without belief in Akhirat. About the virtue of the believers, Almighty Allah says, وَبِالْآخِرَةِ هُمْ يُوقِنُونَ. It is Surah Baqarah verse number 4. Believe in Akhirat makes human life beautiful. A man grows up with good character, so we shall firmly believe in Akhirat. So it is must. There are so many stages in Akhirat. From the stages, you in your book here describe only 2 stages. Here is Syrah and Mizan. So I have given here shortly. Syrah means way, road, bridge, method, etc. In Islamic terminology, Syrah is a bridge built over the hell. The dweller of the heaven will cross this bridge successfully and enter into the heaven. In Akhirat, every man shall have to cross this bridge. Everybody cross this bridge according to their Amul or good deeds. Okay, according to their Amul or good deeds. So somebody used to cross this bridge speedily. Somebody will cross this bridge very slowly according to their good deeds. Understand? Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam will first cross the Sirat and enter the heaven. About Sirat, Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, "Yudu'u siratu baina zuhri jahannam." So it is about that this bridge will be established or over the hell. So if anybody are unable to cross this bridge, he or she will cut and fall into the Jahannam. Okay, and each and every person have to cross this bridge. Now next stage, it is Mizan. Another stage it is Mizan. Mizan means scale of balance, measuring scale. In Islamic term, the measuring tool that will be used for weighting the sign and virtues, sins and virtues of human beings on the day of judgment is called Mizan. So here is a measurement or balance, and through this people's good deeds and bad deeds will be weighted, and whose good deeds will be heavier, he will go to Jannah, whose bad deeds will be heavier, he will go to Jahannam. Allah says in Quran, وَنَضُعَ الْمَوَازِينَ الْقِسْطَ لِيَوْمِ الْقِيَامَةِ. Mizan is a scale by which all the deeds of human beings will be measured. With this scale, on one scale there will be all virtues, and on the other scale there will be all sins committed. So there will be two balance. Okay, so whose scale of good deeds will be heavier, then he or she will be the successful person. The person who will find his scale of virtues heavier will gain the heaven, and the person who will find his scale of virtues lighter and scale of sins will be heavier will enter hell. Okay, Allah says, faman taqlalu mawazina faulaika hum. Okay, so here, dear students, here I said it that the scale of good deeds and the scale of bad deeds, it will be about the Jannat and Jahannam. Understand? There are two stages of Akhirat are describing here. So dear students, according to these 3 lessons, you will get your HW. It will be HW number 4. It is HW number 4. You have to write the definition of Wahi. Okay, kinds of Wahi. Kinds of Wahi with example. It is your HW. Dear student, it is HW number 4. Now that's all for today. I hope that you have understood today's lesson. Dear students, do the HW correctly and submit it on Saturday. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.